Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cast your iPhone onto your Samsung Smart TV. So as you can see, I'm currently mirroring my iPhone onto my Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that yourself? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first things first, you want to make sure that your iPhone and your Samsung Smart TV are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi. Okay, so that is step one. Make sure that your Wi-Fi on your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi that your iPhone is connected to. Next, you want to grab your Samsung Smart TV remote and then scroll to where it says settings, which is this button right here. And then next, you're going to scroll down to where it says general, and then scroll down to where it says Apple AirPlay settings. So from here, you're going to see a few buttons where one of them says AirPlay on. Make sure that AirPlay is turned on, okay? So if I click on it again, it'll say off, but if I click on it again, it'll now say on. Next, grab your phone and then unlock it, and then swipe down from the top so that the control center appears. Now on this page here, you want to click on screen mirroring, and then click on living room TV. Or essentially, you're going to click on your Samsung Smart TV name. So as you can see, I am now casting my iPhone onto my Samsung Smart TV. In addition to that, depending what app you're in, let's say I'm in Safari, if I change the orientation of my iPhone, I'll also be able to change the orientation of it being shown on my screen. So you can see right now it's vertical, and if I change it, now it's horizontal. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cast your iPhone on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.